Do not laugh. Laugh about what? What the funny thing is, see if no one can laugh. Okay, so Jeff, start us off. What's the funny thing that you got? Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. All right, Brick Boss, it's your turn. What you got for us, buddy? You are the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Your belly has a face.
Ice cream, my name's Moscraft.
I like a lot. My name is Mr. Bacon. I like the ice cream. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Brick Boss, I don't know how to answer this question anymore. I'm very scared. Look at this dude. Welcome to another day of the daycare. Yo, what's good, brother? How you doing, man? Yo, welcome back to another Moose Roleplays video. Yo, let's see what's going on in the daycare today, bro. So Jeff gave me a call and he's like, yo, Moose, we got something super important to talk about, man. I'm like, Jeff, is this one of your pranks again? And he said, no, bro, I swear on the Moose book. And I'm like, whoa, that's gotta be legit, right? So anyways, let's see what our buddy Jeff the Moose is up to in the crazy daycare. But first, I'm gonna build a smiley face. Hey! Yeah! I think I have problems. All right, let's go inside the daycare. Let's see what we got. Yeah! Jeff! Nope. I'm out. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new daycare video. Unless you hit the subscribe button on the countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Subscribe and hit that bell and leave it a like. Up, here goes this guy. Look at this dude. Oh, Jeff, you can't force me to go in here. You can't force me to go in here. I'm not going in. No, I refuse. I saw the sign. I'm not going in. I can do what I want. I'm number 1. Jeff number 2. Moose number 1. Jeff really bad with arrows. Moose always number 1. Always number 1. Lies! Jeff the Toad number 1. Champ always number 1. What's Cena screaming about? Let me see what's going on, bro. She just shook the daycare again, man. Every time she screams, the daycare shakes. I'm kind of scared, dude. Low key. Okay, what do we got? Hi, Moosina! Yeah! Is there like some kind of a thing that you can just calm her down when she does that? Don't judge me! We're not judging you. Why do you jump to conclusions so much? Here's a boost bump. Yay! Awesome! So what are we doing today? What do we do today, Jeff? What is this? What? Hey! What? Why is there a... Jeff! Come on, buddy! Jeff, you really mean it, buddy? You love me? Aw, Jeff, brothers for life, dude. Aw, man. Is this about you and Jeffina? Heck no, that wasn't me, Jeff. I knew you were talking about Jeffina. Come on. How's your relationship going with Jeffina? Is it going A1? Huh? Is it pretty good or is it kind of like, eh? Honestly, man, with this kind of a body and whatever you have going on with your weird face, it ain't gonna work. Yeah, Jeff, why did you do this, eh? Did you go on your second date? We never went on a date. We never dated. I'm not even going out with her. What? Here we go. You had your first day in the daycare, I mean. No, we did not go on a date. I was forced to do this. I don't want any part of this. No. It's here, so no. Stop it. Yeah! You're lame, Jeff. Okay, don't waste the Brick Boss fund. Why? Who thought it was a good idea? Huh? Who thought that? Thick boss. Who thought? I didn't pay, I mean. Oh my God. Here we go. Well, I'm ready. Okay, so what do we got over here? We got some big fish with some moose milk, and we got some honey, and some turkey with some bread, and also some floaty things right over here. Is that a dead ferret? Oh my God, is that a dead bunny and mouse? Oh my God, Jeff, what did you do? No, Jeff, what did you do to this poor animal? Yo, it's time. Time for what? Huh? Would you rather? Alright, fine. What do you want? Okay, let's play Would You Rather. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. I want some of big fish. I want some of milk. Get some honey. And some turkeys. Want some of this. And a little bit of this. Also some of this stuff over here. I'm gonna eat the clown. I'm gonna eat the turkey again. And some more loaves of bread. And I want some of this. And I want some more food. Would you rather eat Chef the Toe or do a YouTube channel? Do you eat my food? No. Up and she's in the puke. Okay, whatever. That's kind of weird. All right, so Jeff, I would. Why would you even ask that? Who? Champ the Toe or Blue YouTube channel? Why do you even ask that? That makes no sense. No, none of them. I don't want any of them. Nah. Death in the toe. You guys are weird. I'm out of here. I gotta go. I graduated with straight F's in school. Yeah, that kind of reflects your IQ, dude. I think I know what I'm saying. No, daytime. I don't want to go on a date, dude. I'm not interested. Ow! She's hitting me. Why? Do it. Okay. All right. Okay. I got an IQ of 8, the same as how many days there are in the week. Nice, but nice. No reason, don't fail me. I'm scared. I want this. Breakfast. Sorry. Eat this faster. What is this? What? No! It's a milk jug. It's lame. I only like moose milk. I don't want this milk jug stuff. It's only moose milk. Go home. Hey! Would you rather? Your turn, Musina. You back off, Musina. It's your turn. I'm gonna take 20 steps back away from you. There you go. Awesome. Wow, that actually worked. Awesome. Oh, and I'm stuck. Hi. Awesome. Okay, go ahead. Ask the question, dude. You deserve this. Deserve what? Huh? Me? What? It's your turn. You gotta go. Ow, I fell. Ow. Come on. Jeff, ask the would you rather question. Oh, wait, I guess Jeffina. Wow. Lazy. Well, she doesn't want to ask it. I mean, it's up to you. Ask me. Musina. Uh-huh. All right. What is going on? I'm gonna go right over here. I'm gonna take 20 steps back before somebody gets hurt. Would you rather date Moose or a famous movie actor? Famous movie actor. This dude. Moose! This is my time to leave. I'm gonna just quickly do one of these. Oh, okay. Alright. Just do one! Send thumbnails, bro! I'm not sending no thumbnails! I'm out of here! Moose, get down here! No! You can't have me! No, I'm off limits! You're failing me! How am I failing you? I gotta go. My name is Moose and I'm running away. I'm gonna go catch a bus and fly away. Oh no. Oh no, he's coming. Oh no. We gotta go. No, one more thing. No, I'm not coming with you. No. Oh. That thing says, yeah! No. Stay back. Okay, plan B. She can't run up to me, and I can't outrun her. I gotta go. Moose, ask me a question. Okay. Jeff, stab us. You got fine. Oh, wow. Ow! She hit me with an arrow. It's illegal. Okay, so, Jeff, follow me. That was like explosive diarrhea. Okay, so anyways, all right. Jeff, would you rather be a gorilla or break your car? Excuse me? Simple question. Would you rather be a gorilla for the rest of your life or break your car? You're out of S5. New question. No, you have to answer it. Would you rather be a gorilla? Can I phone a friend? You can go ahead and phone him. Go ahead, give him a call. This day is terrible. Musina, stop being so sassy. Eat some steak. Ow! She's trying to hit me. Help. Can I ask the audience a question? Go ahead. Ask the audience a question. Go ahead. Go ahead, buddy. Hi. FNAF. That's the question? Yes, ma'am. Okay, you heard it here first, folks. At the WWE Moon Cena WrestleMania. Will you answer the question? But comment it down below. Leave me a like in this video. Okay, all right. I have a gift for you. Oh, what is it, Musina? What's the gift? Okay, I'm coming. Hey. What's the gift? Don't tell Jeff. I mean, he's only like looking at me like very ferociously trying to kill me. What's this do? Ah! What is this place? Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. Yes, no. Why are there so many hearts? Oh no. Oh, what's over here? Stone and a ladder. No. Ow! Jeff, help! You stay now, Jeff! Help! I'm being kidnapped! Help! You're staying forever! No! You can't have me! Jeff, she's crazy! That's it, I'm gonna use my bedroom skills. Wow. Oh my god, how am I doing this? It's actually pretty crazy. I'm speed building. Awesome. How do I get out of here? Jeff, I'm stuck here. Help a brother out. You will love me forever! No! We're never gonna date! No, I'm out of here. I'm scared. I am so terrified. Jeff! Where are you? Jeff! I'll shoot you down! No! You'll never take me alive! Jeff, you gotta help me, bro. Jeff, you gotta help me, man. Come on, bro. Don't you dare, Jeff! Jeff, you gotta help me. I help! Jeff, bro. Dude, Jeff, remember I helped you with Jafina? Jeff, I helped you with Jafina! You can't do this to me! No! Jeff! She's trying to kill me! No! Okay, fine. Musina, what do you want? What do you want from me? You made me marry her. Jeff, I didn't actually help you. I didn't even make you marry her. What happened is she RKO took you down on the ground in a wrestling match and then you had to get married to her. Now it's your turn to do the deal. What does this room tell you? Do you know the way? No. This room tells me she ate the TNT. I'm terrified. How's that possible? How's that even possible? What? Yum! Okay, so I don't know what this room tells me. There's a bunch of hearts and all, and like creepy things and stuff, and you're here, so I'm pretty terrified. I kind of want to run away forever. You must let me! To leave! So I must be your not girlfriend, boyfriend, or else I can't leave. So I have to be in a relationship with you. Ow! I don't know about this. Is there like another way? Is there like an option number B? Like option number B, you know, option B. Like, is there like another way? Ow! Jeff, help, Jeff. Ah, she's flying! How is that possible? Ah! She's taking the building. Jeff, get me out of here. Jeff, hurry up. Get me out of here. Oh, no. Okay, you know what? This is not good, man. This is very bad. Climb the TNT. What TNT? What? Come on, Jeff. No. Let's go, buddy. We gotta go, man. We gotta go. I'll never date you, Musina. I'm out of here. I'm not interested. No interesanto. Is that the right word for it? No interesanto? No, I'm out of here. Very nice. Come on, Jeff. You gotta go, buddy. You gotta go. Come on. Jeff! No! Well, that one's 0 to 100 real quick. Okay. Awesome. Ha! You can't get me. Ow! Ha! Still can't get me. I'm out of here, man. No Jafina or Musina or Jeff the Moose. I don't want any part of you guys anymore. I'm out of here. You'll never take me. I'll be back. No, you will never, ever go on a date. And I know you try to kiss me and all, but no, I'm not interested. Jeff, stop. No, Jeff, stop. Jeff, stop. Jeff, you must let me leave. I let you escape, Jafina. I let you escape. You can't do this to me. Low key, Go. Ah, she's trying to eat me! I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Oh my gosh, she's got fire. Subscribe and set the bell and find out what happens between Moose and Jeff. Moose, Jeff, and Jafina, and Messina. And the next episode of Take Care. Bye tomorrow. Bye.